So friends, welcome to our channel VN Tutorials, in which we are going to solve 8th question of practice set 2.2. Okay, it's a solving of quadratic equation by factorization method. 8th question is there. See how to solve this question. 8th one, 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means you have to find plus multiplicative term, plus sign is here, plus and plus 3 and plus 2 plus 6, x square is there, x square, and middle term which is minus 2 root 6x. Okay, as the multiplicative term carrying positive sign, two terms either positive factors or negative. If you see the middle term, then it carrying which sign? Negative sign. That means two terms carrying negative sign. Therefore, minus and minus. Here we are making one adjustment. Minus 2 root 6. That means root 6 x and root 6 x are the factors. Both are minus. That's why minus root 6 minus root 6 minus 2 root 6. That means what are we seeing? The middle term is minus 2 root 6 and root 6 root 6. If you multiply both this term, root 6 into root 6, what will happen? It's 36. 6 6 is 36. And what is the square root of 36? 6. Therefore this term is there. Minus minus पॉजिटिव, ये एडजस्टमेंट है, इधर डायरेक्ट फैक्टराइजेशन किया मैंने. तो आई कैन राइट दिस एज 3x² minus root 6x. What is the factors of 2 root 6x? Minus root 6x. If you have any query regarding this particular question, then ask me. I will give you answer properly. Okay, here I am solving in proper way also. See, तो मैंने इधर √2 √6 की जगह पे उसके फैक्टर्स निकाले हैं. अभी थोड़ी सी एडजस्टमेंट करनी है. देखो इधर मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा 3 × x. ओके, माइनस ये √6. आई कैन राइट दिस √6 एज लाइक दिस, √3 × √2. that means √6 into x. once again this one, √3 × √2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now one more adjustment is there. This 3, we can write this 3 as √3 into √3 means √9, and इसका √9 मतलब 3 आता है. तो थोड़ी सी एडजस्टमेंट है. इंटू एक्स माइनस ये जो लिखा है एज इट इज लिखो. √3 into √2 means √6x into x minus √3 into √2 into x plus, I can write this 2 once again. जैसे हम लोगों ने 3 को √3 into √3 लिखा, वैसे इधर √2 into √2 लिखूंगा मैं, इज इक्वल टू 0. तो हम लोग अभी क्या लेनी है? पेयर लेनी है. देखो कैसे पेयर है. एक पेयर है और दूसरी पेयर ये है. देखो ये. ओके, थोड़ा सा कॉमन दोनों टर्म में देखो, √3 एंड √3, x and x. I can write common factor √3x. What will be inside? ये √3 and x, √3x minus √2. √3x minus √2. Okay, now see here, negative sign is there. Negative sign. Which sign? Negative. Which one? This sign is negative one. And what is the common here? √2 and this √2. Okay, and negative sign. When negative sign comes out, इनर साइन गेट चेंज. यहाँ क्या बचा है? √3 into x, और एक प्लस साइन का माइनस हो जाएगा, मतलब √3x माइनस प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि माइनस साइन बाहर निकाला है. √2 बचा इधर, इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ दिस इज द कॉमन ब्रैकेट. therefore I can write this as √3x minus √2 in one bracket, and what is uncommon? √3x minus √2. तो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट रहेगा √3x minus √2 is equal to 0. Okay, That means as multiplication is 0 of these two brackets, we don't know which bracket is equal to 0. That's why we consider first bracket, either first bracket may be 0 or I'm writing this or. Second bracket is also same, but you have to write this is equal to 0. So when this minus root 2 drag to right hand side, minus become plus. Therefore root 3x is equal to minus ka plus root 2. Here also same, root 3x when it goes to right hand side is equal to root 2. Now there is multiplication between x and root 3, multiplication. Then what happen? X is equal to root 2 upon root 3, and therefore same, root 2 when goes to right hand side, this root 3 become divisible, root 3. You can write this both having same root, therefore you can write this like this, or x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the answer of this particular question. You must have to look how I factorize it. Okay, if you have any query, then ask me immediately in the comment box. Okay, तो ये अपना चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो और लाइक करो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे उसका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं, क्योंकि ट्यूशन जैसा ही मैं आपको पढ़ाने वाला हूँ। धन्यवाद।